Recording.
Taking different pictures and stuff, so we
Hello.
just wanted to make sure you're doing all right, and so no, you're good as long as you're not trespassing on anybody's property or anything. So yeah, you're fine. That this is you're on the school here, so that's public property. You can be out on that, but I just want to make sure you're good. So.
Yeah, well, I went to school for this, and so I know I have a constitutional right to photograph private property as long as I'm on a public street, and that includes private houses and stuff like that with stipulations.
You know how the world is today, so people get a little leery. So you're absolutely right. You have the right to do it as long as you're not going up on their property and stuff. But just wanted to like I said, just check on you. And you gonna be around for a little while, or are you getting ready to head back up north?
I'm thinking about maybe going to the blacksmith shop restaurant briefly, and then.
Is that still open?
I don't know.
I don't know if it's still open. It might be closed down.
Permanently?
They kind of been open and shut. It might be open. I'm not sure. I mean, you're the one to go down there and check. So. Did you go to the Billy Joel concert?
No, I didn't. I just got the hat because I work at Notre Dame in food service, unfortunately.
Yeah. It was a good concert. Billy Joel's my favorite, so I was there, so I loved it.
I don't care for music.
No? No. That's alright. I'm not very good at taking pictures, so.
Well, maybe I can show you.
I'm not very good at singing either.
Yeah.
Maybe I can show you one or two briefly. There's a tree in that I saw in someone's private backyard.
Right.
Back there.
Yep. Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
Like I said, especially with, like I said, you know how the world is nowadays.
Yeah, there's one that I took down one of the side streets over here.
Yeah, that's awesome. That's awesome. So, people are just concerned about what was going on, so we just come out and check.
Yeah.
As long as you're not going up on their property, you're fine. So, all right? You gonna walk back up to the South Shore? Or?
I plan to, yes.
Okay.
Now, I just have to ask because I'm curious, have you ever responded to someone photographing someone's house when they were standing out in the street with a camera?
We get calls there, whether we find them or not. LaPorte County is the second largest county in the state. Sometimes it takes us a little bit to get there.
So do you explain to the owner that the person doing the photography has a constitutional right to do it if they're on a public sidewalk?
Yep. We'll tell them that as long as they're not on their property, they can photograph whatever. So.
Well, there's a issue that I've been having in South Bend with an off-duty Mishawaka officer who thinks I have no business being on the street that he lives on. Right. And I was actually recently told from someone else who lives on that street that officer constantly oversteps his police authority and just stops anyone that he wants to on that street who we've never seen before.
Yeah, I mean, I get some of it. I'm sure you can realize the state of the world right now and how police can be treated sometimes. We're extremely fortunate in this area. We're very well respected. However, not too far in Chicago, law enforcement is not respected at all. So, we were used to be a little nervous about it. So I get it. But you do have that right. What do you sell the photos, or do you
well, I've only had one gig so far. Unfortunately, I don't have a driver's license, and I live in South Bend, and so because it's like a small city and there's hardly any urban things about it, it's difficult to do photography there without photographing people's houses. And so I've learned case law about things like this. Yeah.
Okay. Well, you have a good night. If it, do you got Google there?
I do.
So if
yeah.
if you you know, if it gets late and you need you take a picture of me, getting my name, getting both of our names.
Well, I'm actually regretting not video recording this conversation.
We have everything video recorded.
It was
We got body
video
cameras right here.
Yep.
They're on.
So I can actually get in touch with you guys and get the video recorded?
You absolutely
Yep.
can.
So
if you call
And
the
South
forecast-
Bend and Mishawaka, everybody has body
so
cameras.
if I ever get arrested for doing this stuff because somebody's thinking I'm committing house watching or whatever, and that video is on my computer, will it help me win my court case, you think? Because
I'm not an attorney.
I talked about winning, because I talked about the legality of photographing houses on side streets.
I'm not an attorney, so I can't give you advice there. So, but what I was gonna tell you is, if it gets late tonight and you're a little ways away from Hudson Lake.
Yeah, I know. I walked the whole way here.
If you Google LaPorte County Sheriff's Department phone number, you can give us a call, and I mean, if we're not too busy on calls and stuff, we're happy to come back here and pick you up and give you a ride up to Hudson Lake to the train station.
62 County.
All right. Well,
All right.
All right, sir.
thanks.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.